Do you have dirty carpets and tired of complicated cleaning routines? Today I'll show you how to master your Vax Platinum Smart Wash. From assembling the water tanks to keeping your machine in a tip-top shape. Stick around and you'll be a carpet cleaning pro in no time. Let's get started. So first thing first, let's talk about the water tanks and their capacity. The Vax Platinum Smart Wash has two main water tanks. The clean water tank has a capacity of approximately 3.5 liters and sits on top. And the dirty water tank can hold around 1.9 liters and collects all the dirt and the grime poured from your carpet. And this is the one that sits at the bottom. Both the clean water and the dirty water tanks are really easy to assemble. They just click into place. And for the clean water tank, it just slides easily into the compartment. To fill the clean water tank, make sure the water is around 40 degrees and is free from debris, and then just attach it back to the compartment. The Platinum Smart Wash carpet cleaner uses the motion sense technology, where when you push the product forward, it automatically washes, and when you pull it back, it dries the carpet. Here I'm going to quickly show you how to remove the dirty water tank. So remove the clean water tank and then just pull that handle and then the tank comes out. As you can see there's a release handle. If you pull it up, the top opens, so the lid kind of opens. So push it up and the lid opens. Just empty the tank and close it and put it back into the carpet cleaner. Here are some essential maintenance tips I'm going to share with you. Once you've emptied the water tank, which I normally do by throwing it in the toilet, or if you have a garden, you can throw it in the garden and pick up grime that is left and put it in the bin. Then go ahead and clean the water tank using warm water. For a more thorough clean, you can use a mild detergent or soapy water. To keep your carpet washer in top condition, I would recommend doing a periodic cleaning up to remove any buildup inside the system. I used a soapy solution and a piece of cloth and clean the compartment, making sure all the dirt is removed. Here I'm putting back the dirty water tank and also sliding in the clean water tank. Always remember to regularly check and clean both the tanks for best performance. That's it. You now know how to assemble, fill, remove, and clean the water tanks on your Vax Platinum Smart Wash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye for now.